This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 104 of building the Ford GT40. We're still doing this bit, the back panel, the back housing. So let's get on with that. After flicking through the magazine, I'm not even going to bother trying to read any of that today. My eyes are not doing well at the moment, but hopefully they will be recovered by the time the next pack of this arrives. So we'll find out then. We're, again, not doing anything with these parts. We need to dig out some parts from previous issues. And indeed, I believe, the part from last issue. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get all the bits together, and we'll see how it works and how it goes together. Yes, so supplied today, we've got this, which looks like half of a fairing and a housing. I think the next issue is the next one of those. So that's why we don't need that until we get both of them together, I assume. We've got this part, which is the interior cover for that, and we're going to be using the bit from last time. So let me get these open, see exactly what we're doing, and get on with it. Right, I've opened all the packets, got everything prepared. We've got these two hatch covers to go in place first. They go on, they're marked left and right, and this is the left one, which goes onto the top here, apparently. Obviously you need to get it the right way round. They are half-mooned pins, so again it will only go in one way round, and that should be that way round, like that, and that one on there, same. That's the top. The bottom, that looks like the half moon there, so that's there. They should be secure enough to stay in place on their own. In fact, that one's quite tight. Yeah, they're not going anywhere. So that's that. Then we get to fit these two bits from that time. That just sits over there like that. And from last time, all the time before, I lose track. That one goes on there. So that will hold two screws there and two screws there to hold that in place, and that will hold this in place for now. I'm sure there's more that's going to hold that together in a moment. So I need 4 of these. Do that. There's 3. And there's a 4th. Put that out of the way for storage. These in place. One there. The opposite one over the other side. Way over there. One in there. Get it in there, come on. And then this one. I think next time we'll be using the parts from this time and the parts from next time to do a bit more building up of the inside of the engine bit around here. So yeah, this part work does seem to have very little to do each issue most of the time, which is nice. It's nice to not be overwhelmed by stuff, but it does mean that things are going to take a little while to do. But we're not in it for the race, although it's a race car. We're only in it for the pleasure of building and the experience of actually getting stuff together and seeing what it looks like when it's done. And then obviously at the end, having a very nice, complete 1/8 scale car to add to the other collections of 1/8 scale cars that I've been building up over the years. So that's that. I'll get the last bits tightened up, and that will be another issue completed. So that's going to cover over the rear quite nicely. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you for more very soon. Bye bye for now.